What is alignment? The alignment is the arrangement of text or graphics relative to a margin. There are two categories of alignments: horizontal alignment and vertical alignment. Horizontal alignment makes the text to move in horizontal direction, either to left, right, center, or justified of the document. Vertical alignment makes the text to move in vertical direction, either to top, bottom, or center of the document. I am going to show you how to do paragraph alignment using keyboard. Select the text which you want to align. First of all, press and hold Ctrl key. To get center alignment, press E. To get a right alignment, press R. To justify the text, press J. For left alignment, press L. Children, do you know the feature of line spacing in MS Word? Line spacing is used to give the space between lines of text or paragraph. Single line spacing is the default line spacing, but you can customize the amount of space before or after paragraph or lines of text. Select the text, click on line space command. Different line spaces list appeared. Here the applied line space for the selected text is 1.15 and I am going to change it as 1.5. You can observe the document selected text, the line space extended a bit. Now I selected 2. Like this, you can choose the required line space. Let us understand the concept of indenting text. Let us say this is a document and these are the margins of this document. Margins define the top, bottom, left and right page boundaries of an entire document. Here I am typing some text over the document. Indentation defines the left and right boundaries of selected text within the document. Indentation is the process of increase or decrease blank space from margin to the text of the document. By default, a paragraph's left and right indents are set equal to the document's left and right margins. By making indenting text, you can modify a paragraph's left and right indents without changing the document's margins. This is decrease indent command, which decreases the indent level of the paragraph, whereas this is increase indent command, which increases the indent level of the paragraph. Select one line or paragraph. Now I am clicking on increase indent command. For each click on this command, selected text indent being increased. Similarly, you can click on decrease indent command to decrease the indent level of the selected text. See how I am doing. This is how indenting the text as you require. I am going to apply bullets and numbers to the text. Bullets are symbols you can add to the text automatically. Let us see how. Select the text. And click on bullet command. See the selected text having some symbol. Now I am applying bullet to this text. This time I would like to apply bullets for all the text. Now let us see how to apply the numbers to the text. And click on number command. See the selected text having serial numbers. You can also apply different symbols. See how. Click on drop down arrow of bullet command. Then list of symbols appear. Choose the symbol you want. There are different type of numbering formats. Click on drop down arrow of numbering command. Choose the number format you want. As we have seen, bulleted list have bullet points, numbered list have numbers. Children, do you know you can give borders to the text? Let us see how. Select the text to which you want to give border. Click on border command drop down box. Choose the required border from the menu. Here I am choosing outside borders option. See, the outside border appeared for the selected text. Similarly, you can apply the borders to this text also. Children, do you know in MS Word you can quickly search for every occurrence of specific word or phrase? Let us see how. To search the document, you need find and replace dialog box. Press and hold Ctrl key and then press F. See, the find and replace dialog box appeared, which enables you to search the document. This dialog box can also be opened by clicking here the find command. Type the text here to search on the document. Like this, you can search the document for a specific text. You have seen how to search the document for a specific word. Let us see, after finding the word, how to replace it. Go to find command again and click on it. This is the find and replace dialog box. Click on a replace tab. Already find word is there. Now type the replace word here. Here I am going to search for the word and replace the same with upper letters word. Click on replace button. After finding the occurrence, it has been replaced. See. Like this, you can use find and replace option in MS Word. Spell checker is a piece of software inbuilt in MS Word. If there are any spelling mistakes in your document, those will be underlined in red color by spell checker. All the grammatical mistakes underlined by green color. Click on error. Cursor will appear there. Then click on mouse right button. Then menu appear. Here you can choose the correct spelling from the list of suggestions. After choosing, click it. See the correct spelling applied for the word. You can perform the similar operation for the other spelling mistakes of the document.